We've met asj, after, but as is a preposition in its own right, meaning out of, as in the question, Coa sa how? Its most basic form is a. Hami a erigaelf. I'm out of our Gael. You'll notice that a or as is spelt with an accent. The accent in Gaelic usually means the vowel is long, but here it's used to show that the sound is a nice open a. Now, as you'd expect, a has its own prepositional pronouns. Asam and asit are like akam, akit. Out of me, out of you. Asam, asit. Also, Asainn and asiv. Out of us and out of you, plural. Look out for the third person pronouns. Out of him or it is simply as. But be careful with out of her, ashtje, and out of them, asthe. These can come in handy with special expressions like itarinya, taking the mickey, pulling a leg. Vayet itarinyasam, they were pulling my leg. Vayet itarinyasam.